I don't like to create PowerPoint presentation, but my work demands that. That's the reason I keep exploring different options. How can I generate PowerPoint presentations using generative AI or multiple agentic AI applications? Today in this video, I'll show you one method which actually surprised me, the quality of PowerPoint presentation it generated. This tool was available for free earlier, nearly a year back when I published one video. Now it came up with multiple different features while they have a paid tier, but they allow you to generate 3 full-fledged, very detailed PowerPoint presentation every month. Let me show you how it generated and what's the quality it generated. There are many applications which are available in market which are only there to generate PowerPoint presentation only. Those applications also doesn't provide this kind of detailed output. Let me show you very quickly. The application I'm talking about, that is Kimi.com. So earlier I published one detailed video when they came to the market, and on that time it was available for free. Now using this particular option, what I've done, I generated one PowerPoint presentation. What I'll do, I already generated it here. I'll show you the output because I don't want to utilize my remaining 2 credits because it allows to generate 3 full-fledged PowerPoint presentations used within a month time. So that's the reason I'm not going to regenerate, but I'll show you how I started and then I'll show you the output and you will understand what am I talking about. So what I'll do, so this is the prompt I used and I would like to create a PowerPoint presentation and I requested for everything. What I've done, I clicked on this particular option, agent, and then I click slides. So this is agent plus slides. Then there are 2 different options, adaptive and visual. Visual will generate within very quickly, but adaptive, it may take 30 to 60 minutes also. For me, it took nearly 5 to 7 minutes and it generated. Now, there are multiple other options. There are how many pages you want. You can see with the free tier, you can generate a 30-pager PowerPoint also, right? So what I've done, I left it as auto. Now you can see it's showing us 2 left. And this is available till 31st of March. So that entire month, they only give 3 options. If you are in a free tier, you will be able to generate 3 PowerPoint presentations within a month. Now there are multiple different templates are also available. You can choose any of the template as per your liking and you will be able to use it. So maybe I use this particular one. If you want to use anything, if you click on preview, it will show you how this particular presentation template is. So you will just understand that how this particular preview look like. If you click on keep looking, then it will come back here. Now you can choose your style. So, and then maybe if I click on this one. So, and once this is done, you can click on this button and it will start generating the presentation. It will normally take a bit of a time because it will use an agentic approach to generate your PowerPoint presentation. It's not similar to the generative AI applications. So if I now come back here you can see I use the same prompt and there I used everything, and then you can see step by step it started generated, and then you can see step by step it started that activity, and then it took some time. It worked on multiple content, different slides, everything, all those things it did, and then at last it gave me an output. You can see it generated the content here. Then after that, it started creating those slides step by step. If you click on any of the arrow, then you will be able to see more details on that, how that slide was created, everything. So let me close it. And now after everything was done, so this was the slide. Now one the best option is edit and download. If I click on it, it will open a different pane. There, you will be able to edit this slide in all aspects. You can see the quality of the slide, everything, all those color scheme, all those details, everything is top notch. And the best part is, if you want to change anything, you can edit it here itself. You have the option to take it to PowerPoint and you do it, but here also you'll be able to do it. So changing any text, any formatting, anything, all those insert images, any of the other shape, lines you want to add, tables, any equation, everything, all those options are available. So this is quite a customizable PowerPoint slide deck it can generate, and you can see it generated 21 slides just based on one prompt. So if you can give a more detailed prompt, it will be able to generate better PowerPoint presentation, but you can see how the quality is generating though from a free tool. Now, one thing if I can do, if I click on download, then I'll be getting few of the options here. How you want the output, an image or PPT? Definitely PPT, because we would like to work further. And if you want to embed the font, slide transition, everything that you can keep, and I'll click on download. Now, once this is done, you can see this is the PowerPoint presentation it generated, and this is now inside PowerPoint. Here also you can edit everything, all the components are editable, each and every line, component, everything is editable, and you can start working on it. So instead of staring at a blank screen, whenever you are generating any of the PowerPoint presentation, this can be a better start where you get all those content in the beginning and you can build on top of it. You can see if I put it in the presentation mode, then you will be able to see all the transitions, everything are there. You can see there is a transition also added. So this is that good. So this is one way to generate a stunning PowerPoint presentation using one of the free tool. If you like this particular method, you can take their paid plan and other things. Those details are available within the tool itself. So let me know, what do you think? Do you like the quality of the PowerPoint it generated? Or if you have any other feedback, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to respond to those as soon as I can. If you want to generate PowerPoint presentation with a detailed research, then I earlier published another video using Notebook LM. How can you do a very detailed research and you can generate a PowerPoint presentation from those research material only. Check out this video if you want to know everything about it.